If you're looking for more information about Revival Tonic, make sure to watch this whole video so that you don't regret it later. Because in this review, I'm gonna walk you through a scheme that could make you lose some money and how to avoid that. I'm also going to tell everything you need to know, so that importantly you're able to make an informed decision whether or not Revival Tonic is the right supplement for you. Also, some really important infos, warnings, and how to use the product. Well, there's a lot of smart people out there, they know Revival Tonic is taking off and super popular these days. So these smart guys have copied the Revival Tonic website, so they reach out to people and say, hey, there's a huge discount or coupon or whatever it is, some incentive to make you go through their duplicated website. Order the product, and guys, you get nothing in return as they're not the official company. I'm actually to avoid this, given the official Revival Tonic website, link down in the description below. This is the official Revival Tonic website, where you can get your bottles from, that way you'll be 100% sure it's safe. So now that you know that, I'm going to tell you what Revival Tonic is, and how it works. Well, this is a supplement that suppresses the appetite and improves gut health for weight loss. The formula is available as a liquid and uses a proprietary blend to balance all ingredients. Finding the optimal diet for weight loss isn't easy for anyone, even if they find the right diet that could help them lose weight. They have a completely different enemy standing against them, their willpower. Too many people give up on their diet because they get so hungry and feel deprived that they overcompensate by binging on junk food. With Revival Tonic, those cravings become easier to control. This formula is the work of Dr. Sutton, a man who has spent his career dealing with sleep apnea and other breathing problems exacerbated by obesity. To help consumers overcome these challenges, his liquid formula targets an overactive appetite, a weakened gut, and more. What I like to mention about this product is the fact that it actually works. Because there's thousands of products and supplements out there that do nothing at all, they make claims, but they do nothing. On the other hand, Revival Tonic actually helps you lose weight, and also comes with a money-back guarantee. Yes, it has a 60-day money-back guarantee, which makes everything 100% risk-free, so you can try it, and if it doesn't work, you don't like the results, just get your money back. It's important to know that if you fall into the hands of these people making these websites I talked about, you won't be getting a refund, so it's important that you buy it from the right source. The final pro I would like to mention is the fact that it's made up with natural ingredients, so you don't have to worry about adverse effects. Every bottle is made here in the USA, in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility, under sterile, strict, and precise standards. Now some warnings and information for those who are going to buy it. The first thing is, as I said before, is the fact that Revival Tonic is not sold in physical stores, Amazon, or any other place, just on their official website, so make sure to check the description of this video if you intend to buy it. The second thing I'd like to mention is that Revival Tonic works only if you take the treatment seriously, or else you won't see great results. Revival Tonic is an easy-to-use product. You can either pour 7 drops under your tongue every morning before breakfast or mix in water or your favorite beverage. To get better results, I would recommend you to use it for 2 or 3 months. And as always, if you currently have a medical condition or you're taking other prescription medication, I advise you to show a bottle of Revival Tonic to your doctor before, just to put your mind at ease. If you visit their official website, you can actually read feedbacks over there, and people talking about their experience with Revival Tonic. Also, a full list of their natural ingredients is over there. If you have been struggling with weight loss, or just want a better health, I would suggest giving Revival Tonic a try. Actually, there is nothing to lose, as you can test it for 60 days risk-free, and you won't lose your money. I really hope this video helped you. If you want to learn so much more about Revival Tonic supplement, visit the official website. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button, and comment below if you have any question. That's it for this video, guys. Have a great day.